What's up, guys? Wilmot here with the Bear Group. I'm here to show you this beautiful property right behind me, 170 Willow Bay Drive. It is a brand new construction by Conquest Homes. The name of this plan is called the Maplewood Plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a bonus room right above the garage. Also, this home has granite countertops, white cabinets in the kitchen and bathrooms, and it is ready to go for its new homeowners. Come with me as I show you what this property has to offer. Let's go.